Wix Lightbox Popups. What do? Well, the second you go to a site, you have a pop-up come up instantly, and it tells you what to do. The most important action: download an ebook, buy my newest product, get this 90% off, sign up for my newsletter, call me today. It's excellent because it's something your user will see before they enter a site. When someone comes to your site, they're seeing a whole bunch of things, and by using a pop-up, you allow people to enter the site and actually see something the second they get there. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Add in the left-hand corner, and you're going to go to Lightbox. I chose this yellow Lightbox because I find it works well with the theme of our website. So you click that, and this is going to be the first thing people see. So you're going to say, "Welcome to my site," and you can edit the text here, like, "Give us a call today." And then you can put the number down. I don't know, whether that's like 222, I don't know, whatever your number is. So that's going to allow somebody to give you the call, or they can just go to the site. So let's navigate and see how it works. Welcome to my site. And as you can see, there's a video in the background. Go to site. And then they can enter. So that's all Lightbox is. So I recommend doing that and placing the most important call to action in your Lightbox. That's going to ensure that your conversion rate, whether you're trying to make sales or get downloads, it's going to be much better. So that's what I recommend you do. Good luck.